this video, we'll walk you through everything you need to know how to operate your FactoryCat TR ride-on sweeper. We'll cover how to safely mount the machine, the operator controls, touchscreen functionality, hopper maintenance, and how to properly charge your unit. Before getting on the machine, always practice 3 points of contact. This means keeping one hand on the steering wheel, one hand on the seat, one foot in contact with the machine at all times while mounting and dismounting. This reduces the risk of slips and falls. Once seated, ensure you are positioned comfortably with full access to the operator controls. On the side control panel, you'll find a series of knobs and dials that control the machine's key functions. First control is the key switch, on and off. The second control is the horn button. The third control is the forward and reverse switch. The last control is the e-stop button, on and off. Take time to familiarize yourself with each control before operating the machine. To move the machine, turn the key switch to the on position. When the touchscreen comes up, hit the green check mark and the machine is now in transport mode. To accelerate, press down on the pedal, and to brake, let off the pedal and the electric brake will apply. The FactoryCat TR is equipped with an onboard touchscreen display that allows you to monitor and adjust the machine settings during operations. This right here is the battery gauge that lets you know how much charge the machine has. The second feature is the settings button. This allows you to get into the settings and lockout features of the machine. From there, you'll see your presets 1, 2, and 3. This allows you to have custom settings for sweeping of your facility in different areas. Next, you'll see the shaker button. This is utilized when it's time to dump the hopper. If you apply this switch, the shaker motor will run and knock the dust out of the filter. From there, you have your main broom down pressure settings, your curb broom RPM settings. From there, you'll go to your operational button, which is also called your one touch. If you press it once, that turns on main broom, curb broom, and vacuum. If you press it again, it turns on just the main broom. If you hit it again, that puts you in transport mode. To empty the hopper, hit the shaker button on the touchscreen, which knocks all the dust from the filter into the hopper. Then, start by locating the side hatch on the machine. Open the hatch to access the hopper inside. Carefully pull out the hopper, empty the contents into an appropriate waste receptacle, and reinsert the hopper back into the machine. Close the side hatch securely before resuming operation. Regularly emptying the hopper ensures optimal machine performance. When your FactoryCat TR needs to be charged, follow these steps. Begin by lifting the operator seat forward. Unlatch both sides of the rear panel, then pull up the back cover to access the battery compartment. Remove the charging cable from its storage location and plug it into the appropriate power source. Once connected, the indicator light will flash, letting you know the machine is actively charging. Do not operate the machine while it is in charging. Once the indicator shows a solid green light, your machine is fully charged and ready for use. That covers everything you need to know to get started with your FactoryCat TR rider sweeper. By following these steps, you'll keep your machine operating safely and efficiently.